This question is about a promissory note. Promissory note. Let's look at the important information. So it's a promissory note. We know, therefore, that it may include interest, which this one does. It says interest at 6.5%. And also, we assume that there is a 3-day grace period. On a promissory note, 3-day grace period. Now look at the question. Notice that it falls into two parts. First of all, there's a present value of the note, dated the 1st of April, and then we are asked to find the present value of that same note on June the 20th. Now, clearly, the note will have expired well after June the 20th. So what we have to do is to find its future value, in other words, what the value of the note would be if it reached its full term, its maturity term of 4 months plus 3 days of grace period. Once we have found that, then we need to find the present value of the note on June the 20th. Notice that there are two different interest rates. First of all, there's the interest rate of the note itself at 6.5%, but also there's another interest rate here given of 8%. This 8% is the interest rate, or the value of money, the rental rate if you like, in the bank or elsewhere during that time period. It's quite common for a promissory note to have a different interest rate from the banknote rate at the same period. So we find the answer in two steps. First of all, we find the maturity value of the note. Just find the maturity value of the note. Now we know that it's 4 months. It matures on the 1st of August. This is 122 days. Now we have to add in 3 days because we give a grace period, because it's a promissory note. So the total time that we should allow is 125 days. This gives us a future value equation, S equals P, so our principal, 930, and then the interest we calculate as a normal, 1 plus RT, there's 1 plus R, 0.065, then the rate, the time, and the time is 125 over 365. So that gives us a future value of 950.7. So that is what this note will be worth when it matures on the 4th of August, including the 3 days of grace period. The second step is to find the present value of that note. The days between June the 20th and August the 4th, the number of days, notice we are asked to find it on June the 20th, the number of days is 45. Use a present value equation, so P equals, and then S, our maturity value, future value, we just found, was 950.7. And then we divide it by 1 plus RT. Notice now we use this different interest rate. The interest rate we were given was 8%, so it's 1 plus 0.08 times the time, and we worked it out at 45 days, 45 divided by 365, which gives us a present value of 941.41. Thank you.